to keep showing how we love our NHS, so it will continue to be with us through it all.
It's 10 years since same-sex marriage was made legal in England and Wales.
London is a place for everyone, where you are free to be who you want to be and love who you want to love.
London is the place for me.
2023, the year that